I'd forgotten how nice it was just to go and take a drive. Every change of seasons brings something different. The same scene is so different from one season to the next, from one time of day to the next. And it's early spring here in upstate New York, and the clouds were fabulous that day. Oh my goodness. So a lot of times I'm imagining how I'll paint things once I bring back photo reference. So you'll see the little demos in the corner, me trying to figure things out. So this is near my home in upstate New York. I'm heading over to the carrot barn. They sell more than carrots there. Lots of fresh produce and baked goods and gourmet foods, plants, seasonal plants. So it's always a great time to go there and just take a look around. And along the way there's another gift shop down here at the bottom of the hill. And that's the Apple Barrel. That's a gift shop and a cafe. You'll see when we get there. So while I'm along the way, a lot of times will take pictures, and so to paint from. So this time, because I'm doing this YouTube, I decided to do a video, and boy, it was beautiful. So take a look at those trees that are just starting to pop, and I'm showing you there how I would approach painting those in watercolor. Yeah, I just dance on the paper, and the color combination is permanent green #1 with a cadmium yellow. Once the trees mature, the green will change. So take a look at that red tree there. Oh, I don't know what that is, but lovely. So taking photos and doing this video, you really get a chance to observe things that you don't notice when you're driving by at 50 miles an hour or more. So here we are. Here's the Apple Barrel. This is the main drag, one of the main drags out here in this countryside. But boy, those clouds, fabulous. It was a hopping day at the Apple Barrel. So heading back. Let me just stop talking. Just tonight, stay by my side. Just tonight, my heart is on the line. Stay by my side. Just tonight, in the morning we can pick up the fight. In the morning we can pick up the fight. I love road trips. What's around the next corner? What's over the next hill? This little scene I absolutely love with those red roofs. So when I went back home, I pulled out my sketchbook and tried to do a little sketch of this piece, which I will do in a finished painting, most likely in watercolor and oil. I really love it. So here's where I'm trying to figure out what colors to mix to get that spring spring isn't as dramatic. The colors and values aren't as dark as other seasons, so it's going to be a high key painting, lighter. Still have some value contrast, but it won't be quite as dark as some of the other seasons that you paint. So let me just let you watch. So my mind is full and I have lots of ideas, lots of reference material to work with. And there's really nothing like getting away from your art desk and just going out and looking at the world around you. That always inspires me. So I'm going to head back home and get to work, which really is fun. Really, thank you so much for watching. If you watched it right to the end, I appreciate it very much. If you haven't done so, please subscribe and give the video a big thumbs up, and I would really appreciate it. Happy painting!
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home.